Hello, my dinos. Yeah, there are women who love to be the baby mamas, who like unfaithful men, that their men have children with other women, that their men don't take them out, etc. Does that surprise you? Well, don't be innocent, because you might be that kind of woman, or you absolutely know one. I'll tell you why right after the generic. These women remain in these toxic relationships for her and even worse for their children by finding some random and crazy excuses. Excuses like, he loves me, but he doesn't know how to express it. No. Clearly, if he loved you, even if he doesn't know how to say it with words, either out of modesty or out of timidity, he would prove it by actions of tenderness, gifts, a desire to build a future together, by showing you respect, etc. And let me tell you something, a man who cheats on you does not respect you. Yeah, I'm teaching you something here. Infidelity is the greatest disrespect that can exist. But hey, since you don't even respect yourself, you don't know that the other is disrespecting you. Excuse number two. Men will be men. Your aunties, your mother, your grandmothers have always told you, my daughter, a man is cheating on you because men are so. You have to endure if you want to keep your man in your home. Well, I'm telling you that they were and they are wrong. A man precisely is one who takes care of his wife, his one and only wife, and his home. Someone who has multiple children or wives does not deserve to be called a man. A man is one who knows how to say no to temptation and who knows that he has the same kind of women and better waiting for him at home. The fall is possible, but the person should admit it, beg for pardon, and don't start again. Excuse number three. Women are strong. Yes, you are. You fought to do your training, finish your studies, raise your child or children, get your license, etc. So you don't actually need him if you analyze the situation properly. But you need a ear to listen to you when you come back home at night. Children need a father. You have your needs as a woman to satisfy. But does all of these really deserve the pain he is inflicting on you? Jericho's walls were also firmly established. However, they collapsed. Excuse number four. I stay because the children need their father. Yeah, I even said it before, that children needed their father. But not at any price. Your children see you crying every day. They rarely see their father because Monsieur has several homes. If you have one or more daughters, what message do you think you are sending to them? Two choices. They will grow up with the idea that the situation is normal, and later they will only be with this kind of man, and you will be really hurting seeing her suffering, but you will only have your eyes to cry because it will be your fault. Or they will hate men, be constantly suspicious, and be unable to be fulfilled in a healthy relationship. And to finish, I come back to the main big issue, which is that you don't have love for yourself, nor you don't respect yourself. A self-respecting woman will never let anyone take away the respect she deserves. She is the one who decides how she should be treated. If a man doesn't respect her, well, goodbye. If you loved yourself more than you love this man, all your desires would come before him and you would be happy. Look at the girls people call beep, the ones that make your boyfriend feel like a doggy behind her. Why do you think he can't leave her and despising you? Well, quite simply because she knows what her worth is, and her worth is bigger than anything he could give her. She tells him no when she doesn't want something, and she knows that she will never put a guy's need before her own. She makes him run, and you bring everything to him on a silver platter. He knows that he can lose her, but you, you will always be there waiting for him like a mop, even if he has spent the week at her place. Anyway, I hope